Chapter 4, Sloka 28. Dravya yajnastapo yajnaha. Dravya yajnastapo yajnaha. Dravya yajnastapo yajnaha. Yoga yajnastatapare. Yoga yajnastatapare. Yoga yajnastatapare. Dravya yajnastapo yajnaha. 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 Yoga yajnastatapare. Swadhyaya jnana yajnascha. Swadhyaya jnana yajnascha. Swadhyaya jnana yajnascha. Yataya samchita vrataha. Yataya samchita vrataha. Yataya samchita vrataha. Swadhyaya jnana yajnascha. Yataya samchita vrataha. Swadhyaya jnana yajnascha. Yataya samshita 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 vrataha. Dravya yajnastapo yajnaha. Yoga yajnastatapare. Swadhyaya jnana yajnascha. Yataya samchita vrataha.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.